Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Youth, unstoppable, run away train.
Well, welcome Unstoppable family. So people, if this is your first time to the channel, make sure hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So once you upload a video, you will get that alert. So people, for the past couple of days, this video has been circulating the internet of this wife who alleged that she catch her husband in a compromising position. Now after the video went viral on social media, she come out and apologize and saying nothing no go so, you know, she made a mistake and she's sorry for doing that. Now people, this is what Wally British has to say about this whole video.
So now me saw one video now we are circulate now with a woman, supposedly a wife, a record her husband on her phone in the parking lot, in the parking garage of a hotel. And in the video she said, she cussed the man at the video and I record him and I said, this I got Facebook and everything. Me tired of you know. A long time now you give me bun and problem and now me come catch you with man in a hotel. See me start call out her him brother and him pity them. So no daddy, so no workless brother, you batty man. Me come catch him a man and this and that and something. See him close all way up there, piss me dash pan him. And the man I walk around and she walk back at him with the video and she sound highly upset and for real. When me see this first, me don't know if I make out tight. First of all, me dumb struck because me I said to myself, say, boy, this no look good pan this a nice, good body man. And she say, you whole pan night you left me and my baby and sitting and this and that. And the man in kind of look sweat to the way the man look out the like him does come out of the hotel. Did a grind for true. Now, one thing me have to say about that is that with the man them now, you know the both ways something now go work. If you like man, do what you do over the man's side. If you like woman, you do what you do over the woman's side. You know stop go back and forth because somehow you no carry AIDS in the world still between me and you by right, you know, because you know mix up in a you know go cross the fence, stay one side of the fence, you can't the both side of the fence. You understand? And next thing again will come to my mind, me I say to myself about all fear life. Destroy you know to a degree because everybody are going to say boy a batty man a fuck she and this and that, but I'm assuming say the way how she upset she just decide say she never care at the point because she said me a video this and me I go send it out and this and that and she reach out till it reach my phone and reach many people phone till it viral. And the woman was highly upset. Me I said, Jesus Christ, you can't know where you do them a days with them a man because you might have them and think they want you and I'm going to check for the short and you don't want a man they want. All of them the allegation and accusation. Only if you see now today now a vice note come out now with supposedly be the wife herself where I say boy I lie, she a tell to me what she says that she actually catch him at the hotel. If me not lie, she say she catch him a come down the elevator and she actually never see him and a man because she did really catch him and a man in her room. Should have start the video from in the room. And if you notice her in the parking garage, she start the video. And she say after it happened, she and her husband laugh at it and her picnic days after or whatever the case may be because she had only really sent it to like either two close friend or family member. So she not have no idea who sent it out because even though she did in the video say this a go, this a Facebook, she really never did a go do that. She claims say a two close people she send it go give. So she don't know how it reach viral, but it viral. And she said she and her husband did because she husband must just know say of course she did a cuss and a lie she did a tell and everything did alright for your first few days till somebody call the husband days after tell him say they see the video and him so this so now trouble come in and her life a tear apart and her family life a tear apart and everything and she's sorry and she really now me don't know if I make of the situation. If you don't see the video make me know what to think of the situation. If you don't see the video you can check my Facebook Wally British page because I post the video there and with my review pan it. But me really want to hear an opinion on the feel. On the feel like say a true the woman did a tell and true or it look bad now and gone viral and everything really fun really hit the dust now or the dust like the fan or where they say you feel like she's coming back now trying to say she was lying or on the feel like say alright I really lie she did a tell for true. But what me I say is that if I did lie, she did really tell for true. I'm trying to consider why would he allow her to walk up and down? Because they kind of look guilty on you up and down in the parking lot. Because if me is a man I don't care if me I give you a bun for 10 years now, you can catch me now and parking lot or come out the elevator in and nothing to do with man. And you a chant and I do all of that per video. Whether the video need a gonna about in a your phone, baby, me I lick the phone out there, and as a straight man, you would not be able to record me. You would not be able to record me and talk fat about me and Batman, because I mean, no straight man, me no know how to deal with that, but to each his own. Me no know it could be a soft man, blah 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 blah. But me want to know one of you, as me say, if you never actually see the video where the woman are recording, you can check the Facebook fan page. Other than that, it they all about. But hey, one thing me I say, if you not love man, stay over on the man side. Nobody have no woman and I be no down low. Man pan the down low or whatever it is, you know want to call it, and I try if you have a whole family life with a woman at the same time you not sleep with a man. Come on. I mean, that is just some straight up bullshit there. And then for she know, if I did really lie, but if I did really lie, tell me that still want to find out where you catch him with them, because obviously I sleep out, you go find him a hotel, you know. So who in a hotel with, because at this point you could have better can say, I really did him a one woman and him a one man. I mean, I hear none of that, and I could him alone did their hotel look like him a sweat and all of that. So lady, get you something together. I mean, I tell her, say if I lie, I tell me no know. Be go beg you trying about jump off our bridge, because it's a situation that will make the strong jump off our bridge. Because if I lie there, tell for your man you love him, ugly pan you and him right now. Me no know if him a go favor get over this and una go get over this. And if I no lie, I tell if you catch him and a grind man, I just that it go on your ways and left you move on. And next man will take you up, trust me.
Now, for the sake of those who didn't see this video, let's take a look at it so you can get a better understanding of what really occurred. But the lady came out afterwards and saying, listen, this video, you know, it was a mistake. All I did was send it out to 2 persons, and you know, I never thought that it would go viral. Me never actually uploaded to Facebook. So, you know, it was a big mistake.
See the people right from Facebook Live. Michael D. Warren Spivey, 1689 race park, come catch him asleep with man in a bed. Down a sun, but down a hotel. They don't have to find 3 o'clock people. And me not tell no lie. Nell, so, Taya, Cup, Dre, Comella, no soon a blood clot brother and daddy. See me a biggest Batman, and then he talk about Augie. See that he left me and my baby. He left me and my baby people in a house. He left me and my baby. And down here start sleeping man in a hotel room. People see it, Michael Spivey. See it, me not tell no lie. This figure live. Me done yourself and when people with Mike a one big Batman and Damien. Jaro, Patrick, I hope me send this to you all on. And Mike and Damien are sleeping in a bed. And no matter how me call Damien phone, Damien no answer. Mike turn off him phone. See it, people, me not tell no lie. And me not joke, because me have to post these people. See it here, piss and dash pan him people. See it here, me tired right now people. Make a big Batman. See it here people, and me send out this live on Facebook. Michael Spivey, one of the biggest Batman in America Beach. And come go on like say man on nobody. And I can talk about say, him there so. Run here come, and come talk about, where Van Key there? Where Van Key there, Mike? Me ask where van key, because if you left from up in a hotel room, say you come down in your van, where your key there? Where key there? Where your van key? Where key there? Biggest Batman in America Beach. The biggest Batman in America Beach. And then instead of come home to your wife and daughter, people a long time Mike do this a sleep out for me. Long time. And me find out every minute in down a man yard, a hotel so where man live. Mike is a big Batman. See the people munchy. Wanna see who like here. Me a send you out, I mean a business.
Now peeps, after this video actually took off and went viral on social media, the wife called into a vlogger's program and explained the whole situation, saying that she never actually caught her husband inside a room with a man, but she actually met him in the lobby of the hotel where she started the video, and saying that if she actually did catch him in the hotel room with a man, then the video would have started from that point. So people, talk to me down in the comment section, make me know what you think about this. Do you actually believe her when she say, yo, this is all a mistake, or do you actually think that man they kinda guilty for real? Me no know. You see, not my opinion, but phone. Touch me down in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Watch on, man, people. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. See it? Watch ya. If this is your first time to the channel and you like the way how we create with content and bring under the information, hit that subscribe button right down there. So see it? So that every time we upload a video, you get the alert. Watch out, man, people. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. It's Unstoppable. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.